Hi, this is Trish from the Tribune Group, and today I'm going to be showing you how exactly to add backing keywords on your listing in 2024 and some do's and don'ts so that you can make the most out of this feature on Amazon. So as we all know, backend keywords are only visible to you, but they are a great and immensely useful tool in helping Amazon identify your product as relevant to specific keywords so you can index more favorably for them. Amazon has since updated their character limit from 250 plus characters to a whopping 500 characters, which means more crawlable opportunities. So this is really something that you want to make the most out of. This has evidently significantly shifted how Amazon sellers do their SEO strategies. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. All right, so once you get to the Amazon ad console, you want to hit up inventory and manage all inventory. We're going to take a look at MMA Nutrition's one of their listings. So let's go ahead and go into edit. Once you're here, you want to hit up product details and then go into the generic keywords section. So this is where you can add all of your secondary keywords that you want to be able to rank higher for. Some do's and don'ts include not going over the 500 character limit. If you go over it, none of the search terms for that ASIN will be indexed by Amazon search. You can also add spelling variations, you can add synonyms, abbreviations, and there is no need to take into account common misspellings because Amazon's algorithm does pick up on that, so make sure that you're saving space by not adding those common misspellings. All right, so you want to make the most out of these 500 characters as much as possible. There's no need to add commas as well, and you can add benefit keywords like professional grade or dishwasher safe depending on what kind of product that you're selling. You can add problem related keywords, solution related keywords like hydration relief or cramp relief. Also, use case keywords would be awesome in this case for hydration product. And synonym keywords as well are different ways to say your product. Let's say you're selling an electrolytes powder. You can also say hydration powder. Some hero ingredient related keywords. In this case, our product has key components like potassium, all of these hydrating components. So we are sure to add that in here as well. And then making sure that you've got audience keywords in there would also be useful. So hydration powder, electrolytes powder for athletes, for gym rats, for example. It's also important not to repeat keywords. Don't use articles or prepositions to save space, and don't worry about case sensitivity. Most importantly, do not violate Amazon's regulations. Do not include your brand or competitor search terms. Do not use temporary statements like all new or on sale now, and subjective claims like best, cheapest, and amazing. No abusive and offensive terms. And lastly, it's really important to revisit your backend search terms. Add and remove if anything has changed in relevancy based on the latest search term trends. I hope you found this video insightful and helpful. If you did, please do leave a like, comment, and please share and subscribe to our channel at Tribune Group for more content like this.